G'day guys, Greg here. Now I was recently sent this box of goodies from the Bubble Tea Club. Apparently the Bubble Tea Club is a club you subscribe to, or you can just get them sent to you, of products to make bubble tea with. How about we go into this box and see what actually I was sent. Alright, well, it's quite a lot of stuff in here, I tell you. I got some coconut powder. I've got some... I don't even know what that is. Thai milk tea powder. Right. Taro powder. Gee. What's this? Oh, a couple of straws. And like a swizzle stick. Ooh, I'll keep those. Some brown sugar. Some rainbow jelly. Ooh. Lychee syrup. Fructose. Gee. Mango syrup. Man go where woman go. Some creamer. Oh good, that'll be good in my coffee. Some green tea bags. And some coconut jelly original. Gee, that's quite a lot of stuff in there. Right. Unfortunately, there's no recipes or anything, which you'd think there would be a book of recipes, but unfortunately there isn't. But on here, you can scan your phone for free recipes and more. Now, I went online to find a recipe that had some of those ingredients, and I printed it out, and it's for a coconut milk tea. So today I'm going to make one of those. Anyway, let's start making this thing. Alright, to make the coconut milk tea, I'm going to need 3 tablespoons of coconut powder, 1.5 tablespoons of creamer, 3 teaspoons of fructose, 2 tablespoons of tapioca pearls, or maybe that's what these things are, and half a cup of ice. Oh, okay, well I got some of that in the freezer. Anyway, let's start making this. Well, first it says, prepare 360 ml of water in a pot and bring to the boil over a stove. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm just going to put some water in a bowl. I ain't got time to measure stuff out. Right. Put pearls into boiling water. Okay, well I needed 2 tablespoons. Alright. 1, 2. Cook over a low flame and stir occasionally for 20 minutes. So straight away, this cup of tea is taking at least 20 minutes to make. God! Prepare the coconut flavoured milk tea. Mix the coconut flavoured powder in 250 ml of hot water and stir until dissolved. Alright, so I need 250 ml of water now. Boil. And... smells nice. Coconut powder, I tell you what, I'm going to use that in some curry later. So I need 3 tablespoons of this into the water. And stir it until dissolved. Right. That smells nice. I'm guessing it's dissolved now. And now I need some creamer. That was 1.5 tablespoons. Right. I feel like a scientist. And I need some fructose to my desired sweetness, which I've got no idea how much that would be. I'm guessing about a teaspoon. So we mix that together. Okay. Now I just have to sit around and wait another 10 minutes for my balls to boil. Now next I said to place half a glass of ice into a cup, so I've done that. Now it's been about 20 minutes, I can drain the water out of this, so I'll do that. Now into my cup of ice I put the cooked tapioca pearls. And now I just need to add this into here. And my coconut milk tea, that's got no tea in it, is ready. Well, that only took 25 minutes to make that cup of tea that's got no tea in it. So let's give it a go. Smells nice. It smells like suntan lotion. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wow. It's really tasty. The coconut in there is really nice, and the fructose, I can taste that. I think less is more. The creamer makes it really creamy and smooth. Tastes really good. Can't wait to get some balls in my mouth. But I must say that even though it's 25 minutes out of my life that it took to make this cup of tea tastes really good. It's so smooth and creamy. It's really tasty. Oh, that's right, I forgot. It comes with a straw. This is how you get the balls up, I think. Nice and chewy. That's cool as, bro. Well, there you go, the Bubble Tea Club's bubble tea. Tell you what, this tastes really good. And if you're into things like this, I'm pretty sure that you might enjoy it. Anyway, there's a link below if you want to go and suss them out. If you do buy something from them, just tell them Greg sent you. I won't make a cent. Rightio, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are fingerling.